Hi friends, welcome to Learner Ansari Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn what is method overriding. In the previous tutorial, we had seen inheritance. With the same example of inheritance, we are going to learn what is method overriding and how to override and method. The method overriding is a mechanism of overriding a superclass method by writing the same method in subclass. The method overriding comes only in the concept of inheritance. Let us understand practically how to override a method. So in the previous example, we had seen bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. So the bank is a superclass of all these three classes: Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank. So in this bank, we have defined a method: print details, withdraw, deposit, and rate of interest. So this all these methods, instance methods, are shared with all these three classes. So as we have extended the bank, so whatever we have defined inside the bank, that will be available to Axis Bank. So that using the Axis Bank subclass object, we are able to access the properties of bank also. So HDFC Bank the same, and ICICI Bank. So now all these Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI banks have the copy of the bank class. Now in here, in rate of interest, in 1% of interest is added to your account, we have written. So now, as it is shared, this rate of interest method is shared to all these subclasses. So all these bank provides only 1% of interest. Now if you want to modify, only HDFC Bank provides 2% of interest, then what to do? Then we need to modify the rate of interest only for HDFC Bank, not for Axis Bank and not for ICICI Bank. Now if we change this 1% to 2%, then it will affect all the subclasses. For example, if I am changing the 1% to 2%, now the bank class rate of interest contains 2%. Now we have extended the bank here. Now it is safe for HDFC Bank as it provides a 2% of interest. Now this is not safe for Axis Bank because it provides 1%. So if you are changing the superclass method, it will affect all the subclass. So what to do? In this situation, we are able to override a method. So the right thing is to override a rate of interest method by writing the same method, the same public void rate of interest inside the HDFC Bank, so that we can provide 2% of interest only to HDFC Bank. Let us understand. By overriding a method, we have to write the same method inside the subclass as it had been written in superclass. Now the public void rate of interest and the parameter is no parameter. So we have to write as it is: public void rate of interest. Now here we can write rate of interest calculation, but here I'm just writing 2% of interest. Rate of interest is added to your account. Okay, now we have successfully overridden the method. Now you can see the arrow symbol. It says that overrides package name and the class bank rate of interest. So that means we have overridden the method successfully. So here in bank we have 1%. Here we have not overridden the Axis Bank. Uh, the rate of interest is not overridden in Axis Bank, so it inherits the same method. So what will happen here? It is 1%. So only 1% here. And ICICI Bank, we have not overridden the rate of interest method here. So here also 1%. Now in HDFC Bank, we have written the same method. So what happens when we have extended the bank? So whatever bank contains, everything is copied, and it will be there inside the HDFC Bank. But in now HDFC Bank contains two rate of interest. one from the bank class, another one belongs to the HDFC bank. So both are same method, public void rate of interest. A single class cannot have the same method with the same parameter. So what will happen? The compiler overrides the previous method with a new method. It is very similar to overriding a file. So overriding a file, there should be an same file inside the folder so that we can save the file with the same name. So old file will be replaced and new file will be put into the folder. Similarly, so here we are written the same method again. So the previous method will be overwritten by the new method. So when we execute, the newly written method will be executed. So 2% of interest only for HDFC Bank. So this is what a method overriding. Let me repeat. Overriding means overriding a superclass method by writing the same method inside a subclass. So I hope you understand what is method overriding. Thank you for watching.